Hello everyone, myself Dr. Avnish Kumar Singh. Today talk about lichen. Lichen क्या है, इसकी क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है, कितने प्रकार के होते हैं और इसकी आंतरिक संरचना कैसी होती है, इन सभी पर आज हम आपको डिस्कस करेंगे. तो व्हाट इज द लाइकेन? तो लाइकेन इज द symbiotic association between fungi and alga. It is made up of the two components. The first component is the fungal components known as the mycobiont. The another component is the algal component known as phycobiont. The branch of science which deals with the study of lichen is known as lichenology, and which scientist deals with lichen is known as lichenologist. The alga help in the preparation of food material, whereas the fungi provide protection and shelter to the lichen. Fungi also help in the reproduction in lichen. This type of the symbiotic is called heliotrope. Fungal component about 90% prominent in lichen than the algal components. The plant body of lichen neither resembles algae or fungal morphology. Theophrastus, the first used the term lichen. The growth of lichen is very slow. Lichen produce a specific acids known as the lichen acid or lichenic acids distribution. It is worldwide distributed, more than 5,000 genera and 30,500 species found all over the world. Lichen do not grow near the smoky, polluted industrial area, thus lichen are the indicator of pollution. एटमॉस्फेयर में जब सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड की मात्रा बढ़ने लगती है तो लाइकेन मृत होने लगते हैं. ये सूचना देते हैं, इसका इंडिकेट करते हैं. लाइकेन का मरना ये इंडिकेटर है कि एटमॉस्फेयर में पॉल्यूटेड की संख्या बढ़ गई है, स्पेशली सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस की. इसलिए इसको कहा जाता है इंडिकेटर ऑफ पॉल्यूशन. हैबिट्स: लाइकेन मोस्टली ग्रो ऑन द tree bark, decaying woods, etc. When lichen grow on the rocks known as the saxicoles, lichen grow on the tree bark known as the corticoles, lichen grow on the leaves known as the foliocoles, and lichens grow on the surface of the soil known as the terricoles. Few species of lichen are aquatic, for example, Peltigera. Next, classification of lichen. According to ICBN, name the lichens would be on the basis of the fungal components. Hence, lichen are divided into the three categories. First is the ascolichen, second is the basidio-lichen, third is the lichen imperfecti. Ascolichen. In ascolichen, mycobiont belong to the ascomycotina. Reproduction similar to the ascomycotina, produce ascus and ascospore. Majority of the lichen found this category. The second is the basidio-lichen. In basidio-lichen, mycobiont belong to the basidiomycotina, produce basidia and basidiospores during the reproduction. One or few belong to this category. And third is the lichen imperfecti. The fungal partner is deuteromycetes, lack sexual reproduction. Next type of lichens की बात कर लेते हैं. तो on the basis of morphology, lichen are three types: crustose lichen, foliose lichens, and fruticose lichens. Crustose lichen, they have flattened thallus, closely attached to the substratum as crust, like rocks, like bark, like soil. Thallus may be partially or compactly embedded in the substratum. For example, graphis, lachinara, etc. The second is the foliose lichen. They have flat dorsiventral leaf lobes thallus. They look like the thallus of the liverworts, attached to the substratum by the rhizoid-like structure known as the rhizine. For example, Parmelia, Peltigera, etc. The third is the fruticose lichen. वेल डेवलप्ड श्रब लाइकेंस, इसको श्रबी लाइकेन भी बोलते हैं, सिलेंड्रिकल होता है एंड ब्रांच थैलस होता है। दे ग्रो हैंग फ्रॉम द सबस्ट्रेटम, प्लांट अटैच the plant attached to the substratum with the help of the mucilaginous disc, for example cladonia and asnia. अस्निया बारबेटा जो होता है जंगलों में ट्री बार्क पे हैंगिंग में लटका होता है, और जब आग लगती है तो आग लगने का तेजी से आग फैलती है, तो इसका कारण भी होता है अस्निया बारबेटा भी। एंड नेक्स्ट इज द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द लाइकेन। द थैलस इज द मेनली कंपोज्ड ऑफ upper cortex, algal zone, medulla, and lower cortex. The upper cortex, it is the thick outermost protective layer होता है, made up of compactly interwoven mass of the fungal hypha. Next है algal zone, just below the upper cortex, made up of the loosely interwoven mass of the hypha. These are often enclosing alga within the fungal layer. Medulla is the central main part of the and have conducting cells. Lower cortex, it is the narrow layer of the compactly arranged hypha. The lowermost cortex develop a special type of the hypha known as the Lichen, which help the attachment of the thallus to the substratum. Thank you very much.